Even a novice can make money online. Do you want to make an income from home, but aren't sure how? Lots of people say the same thing, yet do not research the information. This video will help you navigate through the murky waters of working online. Check out the tips below to learn how you can make money online in your spare time. Before you can make any online income, you've got to decide what your niche will be. Do you like writing? Become a content writer. Are you excellent with graphic design? Freelance writers and artists have many opportunities online. You will be successful by being introspective. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. As someone who knows how to research information, you can understand that this is the best way to get started making money online. Just continue learning and keep your motivation up. Would you like to use your skills to make ends meet? Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.